I'm Ruby.
And I'm Madeline.
And this is Take 5, Working for You.
How you doing? Oh, one of these bits. All right, my name is Mr. Schusnick. I'm a counselor, 5th grade and 8th grade, and this has been a pleasure.
What am I doing? Wait, what? Hi? Wait, what do I say? I don't know what to say.
Meme review.
We're doing a meme review with Mr. Smith.
Hello.
What do you think about the first meme?
It's okay. I like the fact that we're kind of rubbing it in England's face, but that's about it.
What about the second meme?
I feel like that's awful. Did you find these? I hope you can live with yourself, please. That's okay.
What do you think about the third meme?
That's pretty good.
What about the fourth meme?
I like it. That's funny. I laughed. I like that one too. That's a funny I laughed. It's a good one. The next one's awesome. I love that one. He is gorgeous. He's a great human being. Okay.
What do you think about that meme?
I like it. It's a good one.
Were these memes good?
Nah.
Yes, I found these memes.
I wonder who that is.
Let's find out.
What's in the box?
I hope it's not yogurt.
Goggles.
Dang it!
Looks like a pipe cleaner and a plant at the same time. This is a tape thing. Is it a tube thing?
I'm terrified.
Further down.
I'm scared. It's like an insect of some sort. I'm terrified to touch it. What did I just... Glue stick?
Yeah, it's
An open glue stick?
Ugh. Like, for real, it feels like pudding. Or gack. Or I'm old. That just dated me. Ketchup, mustard. Oh, no. The worst.
No.
Yes, it is.
Oh, the worst.
We're wrong?
Yeah.
Ready? My name is Madeline Christian. Okay, I know this. I know. Okay.
Alright, we can re-roll that.
Live feed that we have this guy on the field, so let's check that out. Whoa. That wasn't that something else. A real hoot and holler right there. You know, I actually really agree with what he says. You know, it's a lot. I know it's a controversial point of view, but I think it's good. Wait,
Brings up a lot of points.
do you hear that? Is in your mic? I think we got him back.
Yeah.
You wanna? Let's take a trip back.
Bro.
Whoa.
Love him or hate him, spin straight fast.
Love him or hate him, spin straight fast right here. It's truly amazing what we can do with modern medicine. So, with that, I think we're good, you know? This is Rylan Keel.
This is Madeline.
Signing off.
That was 5 things in less than 5 minutes.
Take 5.